As today there is a snowstorm. So what I was trying to do is I was trying to go to McDonald's and get some fries and have a nice day. And what do you know it? Snow shower. Dun, dun, dun. So I'm going to upload a time-lapse video of the snow shower to YouTube, and I'm going to make it as long as I can.